Here today we've got a Jeep Grand Cherokee, it's 2013 model. We're going to do the cabin filter. So the cabin filter in this car is located underneath the passenger side glove box. So let me just get through to taking that off. So what you do here is you push in both clips on each side with a bit of pressure, like so. Just push it in like that so they can get loose, and then you drop the glove box, and the cabin filter is located right up there. If you take the glove box completely out, the cabin filter is located right up here. You push this pin out in, and the cabin filter loosens right out. Let's go ahead to take that out and replace it with the new one. Now here we've got the new cabin filter with directions with airflow going down. So you simply just slide it back in. That's all. And then put this back as it was before. It's a bit tricky to do it with one hand, so bear with me. Let me just get to installing that and I'll get back to the video. Now that the casing is safely secured, that's how you install the cabin filter. You put the glove box back on, make sure they go into the 3 grooves like so, and you simply just push it in like that. And that's how you install cabin filter on your 2013 Jeep. Thanks for watching and hope this video helps.